It's the time to add Storybook to our application. So to add Storybook to your monorepo, first of all, let's install necessary dependencies. So yarn add -d and add nx/storybook. So now, similar to our applications and libraries, we need to generate a Storybook configuration. So yarn nx generate add nx/storybook configuration. In the first step, the interactive process will ask you for which projects you want to generate Storybook configuration. And project means applications, libraries, so we can have even multiple storybooks for multiple applications you keep in the same monorepo. I'm going to generate it for my main app, so Angular app. In the next step, you can choose if you're going to use interaction tests from Storybook or not. I'm not going to do this, so no. And now you have to choose which Storybook frameworks you need to use. So it doesn't know if the app is Angular app, React app, or something else. Of course, I'm going to choose Angular here. After some time, everything is installed. So let's run the Storybook for our application. To do this, you need to execute command yarn nx run, and then name of your application. So my application was Angular app Storybook. And basically that's it. That's everything you need to know about running Storybook for your application. So let's check how it looks like. After the compilation process, our Storybook looks like this. So we don't have any stories, so your Storybook is empty, possible reasons, and so on. So we need to create a simple story just to check how it works. To create a simple story, I'm opening my monorepo. I'm going to apps. I have my Angular app here. Let's check what is inside src app. And we have our nx welcome component. Let's create a simple Storybook story for this component. So I need to create a new file. I'm going to call it nx welcome component.stories.ts. So here we have our empty stories file. So let's export by default a simple object. Maybe let's try to type it just to make everything work. So as meta from Storybook Angular, and we want it for our nx welcome component. So the title here will be nx welcome component. Let's use the same here. And we need to set up the component here. It's very simple. And the last part here is to export const component. So let's try to do this. And then there should be a render function here inside, and we will have args that are type of our component. And then let's return props as our args.